school consultants, partners, our guests, our visitors, we are all welcome to today's summit. This is the P1 Group July 2019 Success Summit. It's good to see all of you. You know, I always look forward to, right from the time I joined P1 back in 2012, I've always looked forward to the monthly Success Summit. Because for me, it's a time to come together, meet each other again, bond, network, you know, and just create long-lasting friendships. From this business, I've been able to create long-lasting friendships, right from 2012 till now. So I welcome all of us. You should be excited being here. Our chairman is not here, so before we take the opening remark by our chairman, I'm going to invite someone who is going to tell us what the P1 Group is about. I'm sure we have a few visitors in the house, and they are probably wondering, who are these people? I'm sure you are wondering, is this an organization? What are they all about? So I'm going to be inviting our ambassador, who will take us through who we are. Who are we? Who are we? Without further ado, I want to welcome Ambassador Chibueze Anukanti, otherwise known as Sweet Season. A round of applause for him, please. A round of applause for my ambassador, please. Thank you. Ambassador Chibueze.
Good morning. Good morning, Great Eagles. Why are we very cold? Is it because of the AC? Good morning, Great Eagles. I know that many of you have not been to Dubai and UK and US. Yes, if you have been there, you will know that that place is hot. Hot as in everything. So, who is going to be the next traveler to those places? Raise up your hand. If you wish to be there, please raise up your hand. You know, some time ago, when they said, you're an ambassador, I laughed. I thank God. My senior ambassador then, Ambassador Imoguefi, he just sent me a picture. You know what was in that picture? He was standing, and Ambassador Tosin was standing, and I went in between them. And I told myself, I'm the next ambassador. Words are very powerful. I welcome all of you once more. We want to, in the next 2-3 minutes, discuss P1. Before, it used to be P1 Homes, but now it is P1. Hello, P1 Group. What is the meaning of P1? Who can tell us the meaning of P1? Anybody from here? What is the meaning of P1? Who knows? What's the meaning of P1? Okay?
Property World Africa Network.
Property World Africa Network. In the P1 Group, majorly we do two things. The first one we do is what? Hello, what's the first thing we do in P1? Marketing of land. We sell land. That's the first thing we do, or one of the two things we do. And the second thing we do is what? Hello? We do network. We network land. Now, P1 Home started in 2012. I hope we know. And we're still marching on. When you come into this company, you might decide to do one of them. You might want to do just of land, or you might want to do networking of land. But my very self, I choose to do the two. 13 years, you can see almost all the MDs in this company you could see all of them there. I think this is United States. Dubai, okay, this is Dubai. Go on. Dubai as well. Of course, you can see that the desert there. Wow, I can see landlady as well. And many of us, this one is like, is it Black American? You can see the Dubaians. Those people you see dressed up like Dubaians, they are actually pure people. Don't mind us. Anywhere we go, we take up the shape of that people. And that is how we are happy. You can see white men amongst us. As of today, P1 has gone international. You can sell from anywhere. Hello? Go ahead. Of course, this is GoPro. If you want to be in the United States this year, raise up your hand. We will tell you what to do. Let me tell you my experience some time ago. I was trying to run away from Nigeria. And then I started applying for visa. Of course, my younger sister, their wedding was at hand. She now invited me. By the way, my father is late. She now invited me. I just told my mom one day, I said, Mom, as you see me now, I'm in the United States already. This is the perfect setting for me to run away. And that day, when the day came, I went for visa interview in the United States, and one little girl that was not up to 19 or 20 years at the counter. She now said, "What's your name?" I said, "Shibazano Kanti." You know the stupid things we do, you just change your intonation. You won't become a Nigerian again. Start talking rubbish. I said, she went, "Okay, you're going to the United States?" Say yes. "What are you going to do?" Say, "I'm going for a wedding." "Wedding?" Yes. "Wedding? Of who?" Say, "My younger sister." "Your mother?" "She's in the United States." "Your daddy?" "Late." And I said, "Well, you know, I'm like the dad." "Oh, we women don't know all this rubbish we talk when we speak English. They are very forward." "You, the dad? You mean you, the dad to the girl?" I said, "No," I said, "I'm just like the dad." "Oh, you are like the dad and you want to go to the United States for a wedding? What do you do?" I said, "I work." She laughed. She just gave me back my, what do you call it? My passport. She said, "Young man, you go home and work for Nigeria." I said, "What?" You know, when you're looking yourself, you're already in the US and somebody is pushing you out of the plane. I said, "What?" He said, "You go back. If you don't take it, I will perforate it." I said, "Thank you, give me, just give me." She perforated it in 5 years, I won't be in the United States. But then, when I turned back, you know how that place is, everybody was, that is where P1 takes us. And of course, this is the first ambassador of this company, Ambassador Ojorumi. She's not here. And then, this is Ambassador Tosin. The good thing about it is that if you are married, whenever they call you, you carry your handbag. You see, she was supposed to be the handbag, but the other one became the handbag. So, it doesn't matter who carries the other. This is Ambassador Ogbuefi. Emmanuel, good thing about it is that the company carries you along as you move on. This is the star ambassador of 2017. Ambassador Belle, is she here? Hello, is Ambassador Belle here? You know, they have a way of doing their things. Last month, she went home with a Venza car. We are aware of that. I don't know what she's going to do in her car park. This is Ambassador Vera. Ambassador Vera is here. Where is she? She is now an MD, the Executive Director of P1 Premium. Okay. You are very, 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 very thank you, sir. Go ahead. This is Ambassador Chedu Obiefule. You see the Palasa trousers and shirt he was wearing then. Where is he? Ambassador Obiefule, is he here? Where did he run to? Please, can you wave to my people? See that man greeting you now, and look at the man here. Can you believe that? He was blended here, full of hair here. But you can see a gentleman here now. He has already shown himself. So, can we see, this is the current MD of P1 Edge, the man who is always very handsome. Where is he? Ambassador Yola, you know, they said once you are a senator, you are a senator. That is why they call governors, even senators, governors that are senators. So, ambassador is now an MD, but I don't know why I keep on calling him an ambassador, because he's an ambassador forever. Go ahead, my brother. Okay, wow. This is one of the star ambassadors of 2018, Ambassador Priska. Is she here? Ambassador Priska, go back. Ambassador Priska. You can see the car behind her. If you go to our time, you could see the car we were using. There is an upgrade every day. This car in the market, who can tell me the minimum market value of this car? Hello? Who can just tell me? 9 million. The minimum value of this car. This one, my brother, I never go market in the recent time. 13.5 million, that's the minimum. You can see this car. And it was, you know what Nigerians call dash? They say we dash you. Just take and go home. Forever it is your own. Go ahead. And this is, go ahead. Where did they control this thing from? Anyway, there is another star. Okay, this is Ambassador. You are still an ambassador. Ambassador Vera and Vera. You know? So, the next ambassador is Ambassador, we'll call her Funke, who is controlling this thing. The thing is not going again. So, this is what we do in B1. It's now left for you. What do you want to do? Do you want to be enjoying this luggage by yourself? Let me tell us. There is somebody here who will recognize today. Mrs. Oshonua, is it? Oshua. Now, she kept on doing her best. Selling 1 million, 500,000. 1 million, 2 million. Until a day came sometime last month. That, let me tell you the irony of her sales that day. I heard, because I've not discussed with her, that the previous day, she went to collect loan. Listen to this story. The previous day she went to collect loan. If I tell you the amount of loan, you will cry. Chickeny loan of about 300,000 or 400,000. Please, before the end of the month, I will pay. Listen. And somebody tells me there is no God, there is God. And what was that loan for? Let me pay either the children's school fees or something like that. Children's school fees. You see, there is dignity in labor. Work. The following day, somebody she has been pursuing came and paid 32 million for land. Can you imagine that? If you have your handset, punch 15% of 32 million. And you know what we're talking about. I now told myself, see that person I took the loan? I will just say, hey madam, I want to double my payment. So encourage that person to know that you are working. This woman, see, let me tell you, I said something some minutes ago. There's dignity in labor. Work, help. This woman in 2000, last year, made 14.4 million naira. And I'll tell you how it came about. One of us was sick in Owerri. She lives in Owerri. She resides in Owerri. By the way, she's a politician. She's still a politician. And somebody posted and said, come and register in this company. She said, how much will you people pay me? Let me continue being a woman leader. I am. A day came. She's reluctantly registered. But something happened in our office in Owerri. One of us became sick. They never knew from Adam. P1 brought us together. That one had high BP, a young lady. And this woman continued to take care of her in the hospital. Never knew her from Adam. Continued to take care of her. The family be, who is this person? Unfortunately, we lost the lady. The day of the burial. After speaking, after talking, amid tears and other things, she now said, in our company we sell land. That was what brought us together. We never knew until we knew this company. And after some minutes, a man approached her and said, sell land? She said, yes. Can I pick 100 plots? That's how this world is. And she said, is it possible? And she brought the person to Lagos. And the person bought. And that money went into her account. If you are not the governor, with 14.5 going into your account. Continue. So, there's dignity in labor. Go out every day. Talk to people. That's how the day we gave her that check, we gave her this car. Hello? We gave her this car. Truth is, when you see pictures of people, okay, that's the most recent car. We gave one of the most recent cars we gave to Ambassador Ebele. We've given cars to deserving consultants. What did they do? Recruit 20 partners and get a marketing car. Have we given that car out or not? Hello? Have we been doing that? We have been doing that. We have been giving cars out. Reasons why you should invest your money in real estate. Let me tell you. I went somewhere to market. I'll tell you the name of the person so that you don't, you know. Now, when I went there, the old barrister there was listening to me. He told the young barristers, are you people still listening to this guy without filling forms? They said, sir, what do you mean? He said, if I see any of you listening to him without filling forms, I will find that person. They said, why? He said, because where I am living now, I refuse to buy that place. My wife stole my money, bought the land, started building it. I was still hoping to go to VI and build. She finished the building. Today I'm living there, I'm not a VI because I can't buy VI. Hello? So because some of us think that the world ends in either going to US or going to the other place before you make it. You can make it wherever you are. Go into real estate. Why we stand out? We organize free seminars, just like, did any of us pay to be here today? The main lecture will come. This is just a preamble. That is why we stand up. This equips our consultants with information and updates about prices, promo, bonuses, as well as marketing tips. There's another thing we do. Do you know that whatever your trade is in this company, once you bring it out and tell P1, this is what I do, anytime P1 is in need of that trade, they don't go outside to source for that trade. Are you aware? Hello? P1, they don't go outside. As far as one of us can do something, if you are a mechanic and you can do it very well, bring your trade, P1 will do what? Patronize you, whatever thing you do. This is why we stand out. Because when you look at those balls there, those kings and queens, if you remove this one, you cannot see any of them, am I right? If you remove the red one, you cannot see the others. What are you looking at? You are not giving them vent because you are seeing the red one. We support your business. It does not matter what your occupation is. Students, self-employed, business, unemployed. We've made it easy for you to work as a consultant for the company from wherever you are in Nigeria. You will get all tools you need to function effectively. You can even work from home, of course. There was a time, Uju will tell you, before you do any sales and marketing, you will come to the office to pick forms. There was something we called them, which was the name of that thing, list of, yes, you know, today is no more like that. With your smartphones, open our sites and do what? And pick. And by the way, today you cannot say, there is, which company am I selling for? How much do you sell? What do? Go to the website of the 12 companies. Open all of them. And that is why in this business we don't say no, we don't have it. If a client tells you, asks you, do you have a property of 1 million? What do you say? We have it. Do you have that of 1 billion? Do you say what? We have it. When you go to P1 Plus and they don't have it, you go to P1 Premium. When you go to Premium and they don't have it, you go to P1 Homes. Across the 12 companies, you must see what you're doing. Company a round of applause. From my far left is Engineer Michael Okonkwo. We call him the double MD. He is also a doctor. Now, presently, he is the MD of P1 Homes and P1 Legend. So, I will advise any of you, all the MDs in this hall, try to get their phone numbers. There are times you want to do things and it's not easier with the staff. What do? Get to the man or woman in question. I want to ask you this, is it possible? And the truth is that even if you want them to come and do seminar for you, they will come. If they don't come and tell me. Honestly, come and tell me. They know how I find them. Because they give you the best at all times. My right is the MD, B1 Premium, Mr. Dennis Oberabo. Please, can you stand up? Let us see you. Let us see you. This is Mr. Dennis Oberabo, the MD, B1 Premium. Get you. Please, as well, if you don't have the websites, copy them from here. It's very easy. If I said B1 Homes, just put in front www.b1homes.com. It's easy. Open it and see anything you want to say. And by the way, for you to know what we have, when you open, you will see our estates or our property or what are those things you put. Any of them you just see. Open it. Our projects. You see whatever thing you want to do there. Go to download. You will see it. Of course, at the middle left is my brother ambassador, Mr. Iyola Oyeloye. He is the MD P1 Edge. P1 Edge actually was the first affiliate of this company after P1 Homes, the mother company. Is he here? Brother Ambassador, are you here? I saw him some minutes ago. Is he here? He's outside. Please come in and greet your people so that they will hold your belt and your trouser. Stop running away. And then by my right is my brother ambassador too, Mr. Ogwefi Emmanuel. Ogwefi means a bull killer. And when you look at his head, you know that this man actually is a bull killer. So he is the MD P1 Heritage. Get to know him, take his number, and then we have Mr. Julius Oyedemi. Mr. Julius Oyedemi is the MD P1 Plus. You would have heard of P1 Plus. They don't need introduction. Hello? Who doesn't know him? Is he here? Mr. Julius, are you here? He's not here yet. MDs are coming. And then you see Mr. Frederick Okaje. Mr. Frederick is the MD P1 Heaven. Mr. Frederick lived in UK for a greater part of his life. His children, the family is still there. He was confused when he came here. He didn't know what to do in Nigeria. He brought in goose, the goose. You know when you bring goose in Nigeria, you are looking at your goose, and the ambulance will be telling you, pay more, your goose, pay more. You continue to pay in the wharf until your money does what? So that was what happened to him until he saw this company and he has not regretted it. This is the Amazon herself, Mrs. Obianuju Chemoba. I call her the diva. Please, can you give us your wave? The only woman MD amongst us, if I'm not wrong. Yes, she is the only woman MD amongst us. And of course, I saw your video. You're celebrating with Mama V. Yes, so I showed me that and I was very happy. And then I've introduced the double MD himself, also the MD of P1 Legend, the MD P1 Lekki, Ogusaya. Ogusaya. Odusoya. Mr. Odusoya, is he here? Why is his picture not there? Otumba, you people removed Otumba's picture. In this place, my hand noted. Otumba will come and people will tell him that his picture is not here. Hello? Eh? He did what? Ah, okay. So please let us try and bring back his picture, because by the time he comes, he will greet us. And we see Mr. Austin Ejiofor. Mr. Austin is managing P1 Royal. P1 Royal, whenever you go there, you know, there's something they do. Just go with your client, whether he's buying or not. If I were you, I will be going every day. Once you go there is lunch for you. Whether your client is buying or drive your client to P1, there is a lunch for you and your client. Not true. Okay, sorry. I shouldn't be advertising them like that. Okay. Eh? They must buy. Let them come first before they buy now. So, bring your clients to P1 Royal. After that, you have my brother, Mr. Bamidele Adewole. This man walked, just like I walked there. You know, we walked, and we walked. And the wife was into this business. The wife, by the way, didn't have any work. And somebody introduced Uju. The wife is your downline, am I right? Eh? Second generation. This woman, you don't become grand though. Second generation had nothing doing. And Ju and Co, they were pursuing her. One day, she just said, okay, since I didn't have many things to do, let me go in. Let me tell you that where their office is now is their home. They built it with the money from this company. Can we give them a round of applause? So when you hear about car, it's not about car, it's about what? Car and home, being comfortable. So that is Bamidele for you. And then one day Bamidele decided to leave that job. Because if your job is paying you 1 million and your side job is paying you 10 million, which one will you go to? Your side job will become your main job. Okay? And then, we know him, Mr. Kwetie. Who does not know him? With P1 there is no... With P1 there is no limit. That's what we call him. This man can train dogs in Nigeria. If it means that dogs can sell land, this man can train them. That is who he is. Born for that. So, if you like the prowess and the powers of sales, try and get in contact with him or be in his class one day, and you will not regret it. So this is what we do in P1. The offices, once you open the websites, the offices are there. So invite your people. It's a business of networking, and that is why we are here. So ladies and gentlemen, who does not know the chairman of this company? Raise up your hand. If today is your first day here, please can you raise up your hand? If today is your first day here, raise up your hand. Can you stand up, please, if today is your first day? Gentlemen and ladies, can we give them a round of applause? Can we give them a bigger round of applause? Well done, well done, well done. You can have your seats. Let me also tell you, landlady, this is why you are standing up and greeting them. I know that you brought many people today. Eh? You still answer Miss Dubai. You know, okay, that's my brother Ambassador Iola. Can you give us a round of applause? Your belly don't come out too. Don't grab. This man, hey. You know, so that's the chairman, Dr. Austin Onwumere and Dr. Jen Obioma Onwumere, that conceived this idea that is growing like wildfire today. May God bless them in Jesus' name. So, what is your why? Everybody has a why. Our why is what? What is it? Our why is Owo, Fuji, Ego, Owai, what do they call it? Eh? AY, Oku. Mention them. Oko, Ego. That is our why. Because no matter what you do, you can never love your wife or husband without Owo, whether you like it or not. Eh? You cannot. Your children cannot love you better. Let me give us this last time. Let me close by telling us this. I have an uncle in the village. The very young people here will not understand when we say Morocco. You may not understand it. Old men like us know about Morocco. Let me close with this. Morocco was a place in this Lekki that you call Lekki phases 1 and 2 now. My uncle had a house in Morocco. You know then Morocco was worse than slum. When it rains, if you have 4 kids, 1 must go. Rain must carry 1. And he had, okay, you're laughing, that's true. And he had a house, 8 rooms. And government came and did what? Bulldozed everything. After some time, the government came back and said, okay, if you had anything here, come, let's discuss with you. You will pay in a little and you take back your land. It happened. And my uncle said, look at these foolish people. You destroyed my house and my land and you still want me to come and pay it. Go to hell! And he packed his things and went down to the village. But let me tell you what is happening in the village now. His children will come knock on his door in the morning. But daddy, go back to Lagos. You see that land? If you no go reclaim them, you no be our daddy. If now you go call that man daddy again. Knowing that Lekki phase 1 now is selling for 250 million a plot. And that is what the man has missed. So, may it not be our portion in Jesus' name. Financial freedom, you have it here. In less than no time, we'll be celebrating people. There's no need to discuss it. You see people coming on. Quality cars. I got one, she got one. Every month, many of us have got cars here. But this time, this is where the house, they say that Ojuju can never enter this house. Where will Ojuju? Morning, afternoon, night, this house is lit up. So from where will Ojuju? In fact, when Ojuju comes in, Ojuju will sleep and forget that he's Ojuju. That's the truth. So, the program we are doing is Work With Us. When you work with us, you have quality education. Your children. In fact, when they say quality education, I laugh because I can't even see myself going back to school again. What am I going to study? Is it how? The reason why we study is not how to make money. And I'm making money and you want me to go back to school. Until the chairman of this company goes back to school. How to make money in this business using the P1 Home Network marketing business model. Those ones who will learn it in our respective centers. And then, your direct commission, these are the ones who will learn in our centers that you make money in 3, 4, 5, or 6 levels. Ladies and gentlemen, the giver is up, and my time is up too. Thank you, and God bless everybody.
Thank you so much, Ambassador Chibueze. Please, a round of applause for Ambassador Chibueze. He did a fantastic job. He did a very fantastic job. Thank you so much. And I'm sure that for those of us who are coming here for the first time, you already have an idea what we are about. Can I have a witness? You already have an idea. Okay. So to spice up what Ambassador Sweet Season has done, I'm going to be inviting one person who will be also testifying about her journey in this real estate business with the P1 Group. Join me and welcome Mrs. Doris Lewis. Jam your hands as she comes. Doris, please tell us, take it away, tell us what you have benefited from this business. Go spare also.
Thank you so much. And you can see my dancing step. Before, I used to do all this Bhangra dance. Since I joined P1, my dance step has changed. Now, just go gently, gently. You know, when your hand has touched money, you don't raise your voice in talking anymore. That's what P1 has done for you. If you are a witness, please, can you jam your hands together? Jam your hands together! Yes! I can speak so well today. All because I took this great opportunity. Most of you that are sitting down here today, some of you are already P1 Group members. And some of you are guests today. And I know before you leave here today, nothing can stop you from joining us. Because you have come into what? Wealth. Financial freedom. just barely 2 years. 2017, precisely November 22nd, I took this great opportunity. At Ikeja office, a friend invited me, just like every one of them. And I sat down throughout the seminar. I was looking, I said, wow. So it's possible that people can actually make money from real estate like this? Yes, I know people make money, but not through network marketing. This is the only company that started using network marketing to sell real estate. And me, when it comes to network marketing, that system is powerful. No matter where you are starting from, if you have nowhere to start from, I promise you start with network marketing, but a very reliable one like this. So, I was all out for it. But real estate, I have no idea. I don't know where to start. Even though I attended the seminar, I'm all fired up. But does anybody know me as a realtor? No. So what did I do first? After registering as a partner, because I didn't even bother going for that 1,650, but I knew that I will not even follow up without registration. So I started with 37,650. And so, my goal was to first recover my 37,650. Let me recover it first. Now, I tried talking to people about, oh, I'm selling land and all those stuff, but nothing happened. 7 whole months, I could not sell. I was frustrated. In fact, I even started sewing myself. I went to buy a machine. You can imagine, for 7 months, you've been consistently talking and nobody is responding. But to God be the glory, my story has changed. And change will surely come. Because I know some of you here, you can bear me witness, you are going through what I have gone through. But if it can change for me, then it will surely change for you. Can I hear amen for that? Amen. Thank you. Now, that 7 months that I was waiting, I call it my learning period. Because then I had to let the world know that I'm into real estate, because nobody knew me as a real estate consultant. What did I do? I went on the social media. You all have your phones here, isn't it? And that phone is a big tool for you in marketing. I went all out. Facebook was my first point of call. I registered into Instagram. And after that, I went on LinkedIn, Twitter. I don't know all this thing. I had to learn. Because you must learn before you earn. I always say that word. You must learn first before you earn. You cannot start earning without learning. It is impossible. So I went there, I updated my profile, telling them this is what I do. Everything about real estate I started posting. Yes, people were seeing it. Some people will like, some will not like. But as long as I post, I know that people are seeing it. But what am I trying to do? To inform the world that this is what I am doing now. After 7 months. But before then, I was coming for Success Summit. I don't miss out on any training. Trainings are Tuesdays and Thursdays in Ikeja. I was attending twice a week. Repeatedly. I don't mind if it's the same thing that they are saying, because in one lecture you cannot grab everything. You must consistently go for seminars, training, and meet with top consultants, those who have earned, those who have seen something from this company, because they need to inspire you. And if you don't go there, how will you meet them? Don't sit back at home and think, oh, I have attended the lecture before, and so it's the same thing, and can't they change it? No. The model is so long that you cannot grab everything in one sitting. So you have to repeatedly go, and that is what I do. Now I can say everything perfect. I don't need to look at the book. I don't need to consult anywhere. I know everything. I know the names of all the subsidiaries. the names of all the MDs, I know their location, I know the land that belongs to each of the subsidiaries. Because if you are doing this business, you have to be professional. It is what you know that your client is buying. Most of the sales I have made, some of my clients don't even visit the sites. Because when I finish with you, you see yourself in the site. You don't need to go there. So I hardly go for site inspection. If I go, I don't even take clients. I go there myself. I don't wait for clients to say, I want to go for inspection. That's when I start running to go for inspection. No, you must be prepared. Except you're not looking for money. Yeah, I'm here for money. I came here to make what? Money. And I know it's not easy to get. So therefore, whatever it will take for me to make it big, I will give it my all. I go for site inspection on my own. I go to the office, join other people. I don't have clients, but I go. I learn from those who even brought their clients. How did you manage to? What are your posts? How are you doing it? I learned a lot from people. I can tell you that I'm here standing today. It is not by my effort alone. It is because of my desire, my zeal, that I want to be somewhere. I reach out to people and I learn from them. I copy and I paste. You guys know how to copy and paste. It is do as I do. Don't try to invent new things. People have done it before and they are doing it very well. Do you know? So what you should just do, just follow them, copy what they are doing, follow them on Facebook, Instagram, just copy whatever they are doing. Then you just, as you keep copying, you know one day you become a master. Very good. So now today, I'm a pro, you copy. When I finish copying you, you said you'll be confused, you start copying me. It's true. I'm telling you, everybody cannot be a good writer. So when they can write, those who can write, let them write. Those who can copy, let them copy. And remember to remove their name and their phone number. One can copy everything and this. So that's what I did. And this thing I'm still learning, even now. I've seen people who make mega sales. That's why the name of my team, the slogan that we have, the Landladies Team! The Landladies Team! That is it. We want to make mega sales. I've seen it happen. And we want to experience it ourselves. It is what you say from your mouth that will become you. And we are saying it, we are going to make mega sales. That's how it all happened. After copying and pasting and all that, and people have gotten to know me now. And they say, Doris, anybody that wants to buy land, they call, Doris, oh, do you have this land? I can tell you where all the lands in Owerri. I'm not been to Owerri, but I'll give you a vivid description of all the locations. There's a land, because you have to read. There's no way you can do this business and you are not reading. It is impossible. You are deceiving yourself. If you don't read, you are wasting your time here. I'm telling you. You have to form the habits. Read all the posts, all the flyers, read all the details. Then go online also to make your own personal research, just to equip you. Remember this business, yes, we register with 37,000 CCT as partners. But this company is building you for the future. A lot of people who are MDs today were all partners. They never knew they were going to become MDs or become an ambassador. But because of what? They put in the required what? Effort. So you must ask yourself this question. Why am I here? Am I putting the right effort? What am I going to get at the end of my time here? I know where I'm going. I want to become a head of a subsidiary with P1 Group. I want to become an ambassador. I want to become everything that this company has to offer. A lot are on the table for all of us. And it's so big. We are not in competition with each other. The sky is so big. Real estate is so big. The people that want land are so many that you don't have to drag clients with each other. I'm not going to beef you because you are doing the same kind of thing with me. No. We are all here to make it big. Now, within a space of 2 months, that's to tell you that if you have learned and you begin to apply all that you have learned, then the sales start coming. From November 2017, till July 2018. That is when my sales started coming. But nobody knew that I have not sold all those months. Because, have you seen me taking picture? Posing with all the cars, with all the envy. You think I'm the one that got the car alive? Not the get it. I'm posing in anticipation of my own to God. When I finish, I'll just post it on Facebook. Say, God, this business you just started. You're cutting a car. So sit down and they look now. That line will leave you. If you don't want to join us, we'll leave you behind. And people were like, wow, this is good. I said, no, read very well. No, people don't read. Even when I say I got the car, I still congratulate the person that got the car, but people will still be congratulated. I say, continue like that. Continue like that. So, the sales started coming from July, August. In less than 2 months, I was so shocked with what happened to me. So God be the glory. He alone will take all the glory because I never knew what was coming after me. I sold. The sales were, you don't have to even talk too much because I have made myself known already. I didn't have to talk too much anymore. Within 2 months, I made sales of over 80 million. That made me to qualify for, in fact, all the things I've been dreaming of, because I actually came here and said, I don't want to buy tickets anymore. I like to travel. I don't want to buy tickets anymore. So, coming to P1 Group, since they make an offer that, oh, you can travel 5 times a year, I say, this is it. My husband has been given a big relief. He doesn't have to buy tickets anymore. And I was working towards it. Within the space of 2 months, I made those sales. And I qualified. The first trip was London. The second one was supposed to be in Las Vegas, but I couldn't make it. Then, the next one was Dubai. And we just came back. I think last month you guys saw us. Those who went for the Dubai trip. It was wonderful. But to top it all, today I call myself the landlady. And my team is known as the landlady's team. Why? Because I owned a piece of land before I joined P1 Group. But today, I own 18 plots to my name. Yes. So is there any reason why everybody will not call me the landlady? Am I fit to be called the landlady now? Oh, yeah, call me the landlady. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, I have land in the Lekki now. I don't have the Lekki phase 1, but I have in the most prestigious, when we talk about all the landmarks you can talk about in Nigeria, they are all there. I have lands there now, and you can do the same. My commission, yes, I'm not a fashionista, even though if I was, now I don't stop. Because clothes, what? They will fade away. New ones will keep coming and going. Then my land will keep doing what? Very good. It will keep appreciating. I'm preparing for my retirement. I don't work for anybody. I don't have any, what do they call it? Those office workers. What do you get at the end of the year? All those people that are working. Not salary, gratuity. Pension and gratuity. My lands are my what? Pension and gratuity. So if you are self-employed like me, now you have to keep buying land. Now that is what? Very, very cheap. Affordable. In a very good location in Lekki. Start buying now. You don't know. I tell people that every house you are seeing today, somebody bought the land, isn't it? And built. And now you are a tenant. In how many years' time wouldn't you want to be a landlady or a landlord and let other people become tenants? I want to thank every one of you. It has been wonderful. I want to thank my team members. You all make it happen for me today. Thank you so much. I want to thank P1 Group. What are not enough to to express my gratitude. I really, really thank you. Thank P1 Group, the chairman, the GMD, and all the MDs who have made life so easy for us. Because this is the only company that you come into that everything is done for you. All you need to do is to bring your clients, or even educate yourself. They give you free education. What is there that you cannot do? This company has made it possible. The only thing that is stopping you is what? You. So I'm going all ahead. Ghana is coming and I'm there. London is coming. Las Vegas is coming. Who is there with me? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Thank you so much. Thank you. Did not let this team? Did not let this team?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mrs. Doris, the landlady. In fact, I want to be like you when I grow up. Okay. Is this business worth it or not? I can't hear you. It's worth it, oh. It is very much worth it. You can imagine the lives that we are changing. And not only that, you know, when you help people invest, not so many people know how to invest their monies. There are people that make money and then they just spend it. They really cannot give account of what they have used their money to do. But imagine meeting those people and educating them about investing in real estate. They will be grateful to you for life. So it's not just about the money, but it's about the lives that we are touching every day. When you recruit people into your team, you have changed the life of one person. And it ultimately affects his family, because you have also impacted on his family. See, landlady. Okay, we have a powerful training today. In all of our success summits, we do have training time, because in this business, we also believe in training and retraining and retraining. Like Mrs. Doris said, you learn to earn.